friends, this is B and welcome back to my channel. We'll talk about what's inside my TSL all-leather bag, and I'm currently using a Musubi Furoshiki Aqua Drop to protect the leather from the rain. So for the first item, we have the Traveler's Factory Tumbler in olive. Next are two foldable bags that is in tote and backpack version. Instax Mini Link 2. TSL and BK key case in the color Grapevine. Then inside we have the TSL money clip. Next is a Toyo Steel T152, and it holds my rubber stamps and other bits. Then we have the TSL and Wonder Pens pen and wallet case, which holds my fountain pens and my cards. We have the TSL leather pouch in large in the color black. We've got some washi tapes, lipstick, lip balm, hand cream, alcohol spray, perfume, keys, wipes, mirror, medicine, mask, and a comb. I only brought one life book with me, and this is the Traveler's Notebook Airlines. So we've got a couple of inserts. So we have the plastic sleeve. This is from the 2023. It holds my receipts, a postcard, and the BK dashboard. We have the Traveler's Airlines insert. Then we have a 1/2 TN insert in cream paper that has my entries for Singapore, a plastic sleeve, and then we have the Traveler's Notebook vertical weekly insert, a pencil board, and then the Traveler's Notebook sticker release paper insert. The remaining items are towel, passport, AirPods, and some mints. So that's all what's inside my TSL all-leather bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.